What's up, YouTube? It's been a while since my last hair video, so I thought I'd do another one. It's been a while since my last hair video. Stuff I thought I'd share with you guys. This stuff is, that's the one. I'm gonna show you guys how to get some nice curls back. And all you're gonna need is one of these. And one of these. My bad, this is, you already know what happened. To just get right to it, pretty good too. But this is what I first do. I just put it all in my hair like this. If your hair is real like tangled and stuff, because I'm not gonna lie, I only comb my hair probably about once a month, once every 2. For the people who have curly hair out here, you know how it is. I like to work it all in my hair first. That's why I'm gonna need 2 packets. I will go ahead and get 2 packets. 2 packets, like I was saying. Work it on your scalp, and before you get the comb, you can finger detangle. That's what I would do first. That's how I like to do it. This way to detangle all your hair is just grab a section from the side, not too much, not too little, and just work that part. Just concentrate on that. This is what we're looking like right now. I'm on my 2nd pack right now. Yes, sir. We'll go outside, see if you guys can see some better light. I recommend putting your hair in a ponytail or like this type of way, a man bun. So it's like, I feel like it stretches out the hair. And once you let all this out, wash it out, your hair is gonna be long. But this is all the deep conditioner stuff that's in my hair right now. So I'll check back with y'all in a bit. Guys, check it out. Tell me what you think. Peace.